Emergency meeting, everyone. This is not a drill and this is not clickbait. Mercari is going to 0% selling fees. And if you're not signed up for Mercari, I think it's going to absolutely explode. I think this is a fantastic publicity stunt and you need to get it on the action, get it on the zero selling fees. So if you're not signed up for Mercari, use my link, first link in the description, and get $30. Obviously, I'm going to get a kickback on that, but if you're not signed up, you might as well get some free money. I don't know how long this is going to last. It does say in there right up here that I have. Now, Mercari is the only U.S. major marketplace with zero selling fees. And it's not just a promo for a limited time, blah, blah. It's the new reality. No more selling fees, zero zip, gone, because that's the way selling should be. That's freaking awesome, but it also doesn't give us a date like, oh, we're never raising this for the next 2 years or whatever. That'd be fantastic if they never raised it. But even if it's only for a couple months, I think this is awesome. And I think you can sell a lot of stuff and make a lot more money on there. So if you're not signed up, you definitely should be. And this isn't just a publicity stunt to get myself some new signups on Mercari. I genuinely think this is going to be a great move for the platform, and I think it's going to blow it up. Couple things to note though, not going to be complete 0%. I know there's always an asterisk. They still will have processing fees that they've always had, which are 2.9% plus 50 cents on each sale. That just has to do with credit cards and stuff. Next thing, if you are on Mercari, you need to make sure that you update your listings. So if you go into your listings, you'll see a little banner at the top that will say update your listings for you, or do it manually. Just have them do it for you and it'll update all your listings. Also, if that's not there, just select all your listings, deactivate them, and then select them all again and activate them, and that should put them back up at that 0% rate. Also, another thing they added, you used to be able to cash out for free to your bank. Now they added a $2 cash out fee, non-refundable. So just cash out when you have a bunch of money in there. That's what I'm going to do, because it's going to ring you up $2 each time. But I mean, come on, $2 versus it used to be 10% selling fees on everything. That's going to save me so much money, and I think it's going to save you some money too. So that is all. No reason to make this video any longer than it needs to be. Mercari is revolutionizing reselling, and you need to get it on the action. There's some money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.